Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to make a beautiful flower from two balloons for modeling. I use two contrasting balloons for modeling, size 260. I chose the color light pink and pink chrome. Before inflating, I stretch the balloons well. A pink chrome balloon I inflate with 3 pumps. A balloon of a light pink color I inflate with 4 pumps. So, now I'm showing you closer. I'm making a bubble the size of 1 finger. I spin the bubble about 9 to 10 times. Then, I make a loop the size of 3 fingers. I also twist the loop 9 to 10 times. The most important rule of twisting is always twist in one direction. Otherwise, the figure will unspin and lose its shape. When making a bubble, make sure that the pressure in the balloon is sufficient. It is necessary for the bubble to keep its shape. When making the loop, I slightly reduce the pressure inside the balloon. I press the balloon slightly. Similarly, I make 6 bubbles and 6 loops. I pass the end of the balloon through the last loop. With the other end of the balloon, I wrap this loop and make a knot. Second element I do the same as 1, but slightly reduce in size. I make a slightly smaller bubble, and the loop size is 2 fingers. The air chrome balloons are quite slippery. Therefore, when making elements in the twisting process, it is necessary to ensure that the pressure inside the ball is sufficient. As you can see, during the twisting process, I don't put pressure on this balloon to distribute the pressure. In my case, this is not necessary. Well, if your balloon is initially very inflated and you feel that the pressure in it is very high and the balloon may burst when twisting, in this case the pressure should be slightly reduced by squeezing the balloon. Now I put one element on top of another and make sure that each petal is placed one above the other. Now I grab the petals together, pull them back a little and make one full turn. That's what I do with every pair of petals. Such a flower can be used for decoration as a separate element or to complement it with a stem and a core. I inflate a very tiny balloon, tie it, it will be the center of the flower. Pre-stretching and inflating the molding balloon with 5 pumps. I make 3 loops the size of 4 fingers. Now I connect the center of the flower with the stem. So, the flower is ready. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching us.